Hi guys, welcome back to Math Tabang. So karon we want to go over ang very easy na skill that is evaluating functions. So in the previous video, ang atong gingon is ang function is a series of mathematical operations that we do to an input number x that gives you an output number y. And now we are talking about how to evaluate a function. So to evaluate a function, what you need to do is that input number that we talked about, ang imo rang buhaton ana is imong pulihan ang input number sa number nilang ihatag nimo. So here's an example problem para makasabot jud mo what I mean. For f of x equals 5x minus 1, evaluate f of 4. So, ang 4 mo na imong bagong input number. So, imong pulihan ang mga x's sa katong 4. So, now we have f of 4 equals 5 times 4 minus 1. And then we need to simplify it. So, f of 4 equals 5 times 4. Instead of 5 times 4, we get 20. So, f of 4 equals 20 minus 1. And finally, f of 4 equals 19. So ayun na to another problem to just test out our skills. For the function f of x equals 5x minus 1, evaluate f of 10. So remember, pulihi ang 10 sa mga x's, and you get f of 10 equals 5 times 10 minus 1, f of 10 equals 50 minus 1, and finally, f of 10 equals 49. And that's it. You now know how to evaluate functions. So ayun na to ang isa ka complicated na problem to really give you confidence na kaibaw mo ani na skill. So let's say f of x equals 4x squared minus 5x plus 7. Evaluate f of 3. So first, pulihi ang x's sa 3. So, and you get f of 3 equals 4 times 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 7. Now, gamitin nato ang orders of operations or PEMDAS para kaibaw nato unsay unahon nato buhaton. So first, we need to get rid of the square. So 4 times 3 squared becomes 4 times 9. So now, yung problem actually is f of 3 equals 4 times 9 minus 5 times 3 plus 7. Next, you do the multiplication. So f of 3 equals 36 minus 15 plus 7. And next, finally, ang atong button is ang addition and ang subtraction. So f of 3 equals 21 plus 7, which becomes 28. So f of 3 equals 28. Next, to summarize this video, hinumdumi lang na aron maka-evaluate mo functions, dapat pulihon nimo ang x sa katong input number na ilang hatagan nimo. And then, after that, you just need to simplify para makakuha ka sa final na answer. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Ako rang i-link ang ubang problems to test this out in the description below, so check out our Purpose Games links. And also, like and subscribe for more videos. And check out our channel for other videos if you need help in math. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye, everyone.